Now I've got all his blades in his machine, super sharp, ready to do some joinery work today. I'm going to panel the wall, one of them, and I've also managed to salvage a trampoline base which I'm going to use to make a ladder on the front end of the trailer. So on this bit here, I've just made two more, like, chocks if you want to call them. One to go there, one to go there. So when I fix my bottom step on, it don't like belly the plywood in. So there, I've just measured the centre of the trailer. I'm going to have the centres of the steps at 400mm and then divide up how many steps, roughly, I think. So we've got trampoline legs here. I'm going to cut a section there, cut a section there, and use this section to sleeve it back together. So here I've made a simple jig. I can put these inside there, obviously with a sleeve in the middle. That sleeve will go in there, and I've got as ends, and I've made these square, so when these go on, as long as it touches them two timbers, that's nice and square, because we don't want steps all bent. So just make a quick start by drilling the bottom one, because that goes through the piece of steel, and if you remember them little pieces we put in, that'll support it. So we'll drill them first and then we'll drill the rest of them. I know you all want me to try them, but they're already tack welded together, but I'll give it a go. Really pleased how these have turned out today. Seem to all fit right, look alright. So in meantime now, I'm just going to weld these seams up, get them all welded up, give them a lick of paint, and they're ready for when we've completed the outside of the trailer. We can just simply bolt them on and reinforce the inside.